Today we'll be installing the 99-5853CH, designed for 2010 to 2014 Ford Mustangs. Start by disassembling the center console to reach the bottom screws of the dash. Remove and unplug the factory dash kit, then remove the factory radio and display. For this install, you'll have to relocate the factory module either up top or down below. Next, plug in your new wiring harness to the factory harnessing, along with your antenna adapter. Now mount your new radio into the sub-dash. The 99-5853 is designed for vehicles with or without heated seats, so it comes with the option of a blank and/or heated switch for the dash kit. Now plug in your kit to retain your climate control and other personalization features. Programming is simple and self-learning. Open the driver door, cycle the ignition, and wait for the climate control lights to turn blue. Blue is the default color, but backlighting can be customized as shown in the instruction manual. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.